Hello everyone, welcome back once again to Lydia's Kitchen. In this video I share with you how to make a very simple, delicious and tasty red snap stew. It's full of flavor and this fish is very delicious, and I hope you will like and enjoy this recipe. Remember to subscribe, click on the like button, share and comment down below what you think about this fish stew. And please remember to watch till the end. Relax and enjoy this delicious fish stew recipe. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So I have here freshly cleaned red snapper that I've already washed nicely and cut into pieces. So to eat, I'm seasoning it with some ginger powder, onion powder and garlic powder, and also some vegetable seasonings. So the vegetable seasoning contains salt, and that is what I use in place of salt, just in case wondering if I added salt. So I'm going to mix it nice until it's well combined or incorporated. And once it's done, I will let it sit for about half an hour. You can also marinate it overnight and let it sit in the fridge before you fry. So after half an hour, it's all done and looking so nice. I'm going to go ahead and use some bread flour to coat the red snapper before frying. This process helps the red snapper fries beautifully when it's done frying. And if you are enjoying this recipe until this far, thank you all so much for watching, and I hope you are enjoying this recipe. So I'm going to go ahead and deep fry it until it's nice and golden. This will take about 5 to 10 minutes until it's well done. So please don't go anywhere and keep watching. To my new and returning subscribers, thank you all so much for supporting this channel. And please remember to subscribe, like and share to your families and your loved ones. And now just look at this beautiful red snapper. It's frying so beautiful and it's looking delicious. So please continue watching. So at this point, it's done frying. It's looking beautiful and golden. I'll now remove them onto a paper towel and I'll continue until it's all done. So at this point, our snapper is well done. So I'll remove them and set them aside, and we will continue to make the stew. So I'm using some of the oil that I used to fry the fish. To it, I've added minced ginger, garlic and onions, and I'm frying it for about 5 minutes. To it, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of tomato puree. I'll mix it well and cook it for another 5 minutes until it's well done. Next, I'll add about 1 tablespoon of rosemary and bay leaves. I'll give it a quick stir and continue to fry. Next, I'm adding in 1 tablespoon of chili powder, and I'll continue by adding in fresh blended tomatoes and red capsicum that I blended together. And once I add it, I'll continue to stir and cook on the medium heat. So at this point, I'll add my spices. It has been cooking for a while now. I'm adding in turmeric powder, cumin and coriander powder, as well as curry powder. And I'll mix it well to incorporate. And also vegetable seasoning. So this seasoning has some salt in it. I'll mix it well and I'll allow it to simmer on a low heat until it's well cooked and nicely done. So it has been cooking for a while, and at this point it's all done. So at this point I'm going to add some chopped onions. This is totally optional. It adds some flavor to the stew. And we are almost done. So once it's added, I will now turn it off the heat. And now I will introduce my red snapper to the stew. This red snapper tastes very delicious and it's full of flavor. And the red snapper tastes very nicely. So I hope you have enjoyed this recipe. You can have this delicious snapper fish stew with some plain rice, boiled yam and plantains, and you will love it. So thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. And please remember to hit the like button, share, and also subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.